To insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to open a SIM tray on the left side of our device up here. When the slot is opened, you can simply remove it like this. And then you can choose to either insert your SIM card in this slot right here, which is a main SIM slot number 1, or you can also insert it in the second SIM slot right here on the wider area. It can be also replaced with SD card slot instead of the SIM if you want. Now just align your SIM card so that this cutout right here fits with your SIM card. In this case I have slightly modified SIM card. When we insert it properly, we'll be able to slide it into our phone. Just let me do it properly so we don't need to repeat this entire step. Then we can just slide it in as I've mentioned. And that way we've just inserted a SIM card. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.